Hello my fellow Rangers, welcome back to the channel. Yes, we got another unboxing video. This is something special that I've gotten from the 92 Automotive. Essentially, as I'm an ambassador, I was able to also use my discount code as well, which is Lone Ranger 10. You get 10% discount on any orders or purchases with the 92 Automotive, as in for anything that Mel sells on her website, including with the photo shoots and the merch. It's all 10%. So remember, when you go to the checkout, put in Lone Ranger 10 and you will get 10% discount. Link will be in the description below as well. So with that said and done, let's get what I've got out of the box. Oh, hello. I've been waiting for one of these. Oh, look at that. That is really nice quality. Yeah, if you're wondering, everyone, why it wasn't sellotaped up, it's simply because I double checked it earlier to make sure that it was the package that I was looking forward to. But yes, look at the quality of that. That is, feeling the quality is actually really nice. In a moment, I will show you what it's like on my head. But yeah, that is really nice quality. That is a really nice feel to it. The stitching feels very good. And for the price, that's actually very good. My Rover cap that I bought from the Gaydon Motor Museum cost me around the same price, and it doesn't feel as soft and where it should be, and not as hard as this one does. And that was only a few months ago when I bought that. And another thing I've got in my little box, which thank you very much, Mel, for that, is this. It's please thank you for the order, plus continue support as a 92 Automotive ambassador. See you soon, Mel. Now that is really nice. I do appreciate that. So thank you very much, Mel. That, you believe it or not, that means a lot to me. You didn't have to go to that extra length, and I really very much appreciate that. That does really hit me where it feels good, so to speak. As it's nice to feel appreciated. I will be honest. Right. Let's try this bad boy on. Hello, fellow Rangers. As you're probably well aware, I am an ambassador to the 92 Automotive. Mel, who runs the company, has now brought out a new product in her shop. She now sells beanie hats that you can buy in multiple different colours. And not just that, she sells t-shirts, she sells hoodies, these lanyards and stickers, as well as the photo shoots that she currently does at the moment. And if you use the discount code Lone Ranger 10, you will get a 10% discount on whichever product you order. She doesn't just do all this stuff. She also does a magazine that comes out once a year. It is a very great purchase, filled with amazing photos. She is an amazing photographer, and fair play to her. So just remember, if you are very interested in buying anything from the 92 Automotive, use the discount code Lone Ranger 10 at the checkout, and you will get the 10% discount. And you're not just supporting me, you're supporting my very good friend Mel. So thank you very much. Right, fellow Rangers, let's try this cap on. So let's see. Look, one moment. Nice Velcro rather than the plastic poppers, which only give you a limited amount of adjustment, Velcro adjustment, which is better in my personal opinion. I find that the plastic ones tend to, over time, they split. Whereas the Velcro ones don't. Yes, they do sort of, not all the time, but they do sometimes start losing their tackiness, but you can fix that easily. Whereas the plastic ones are very awkward. Yeah, that is really comfortable, actually. I can honestly see myself wearing this at a car show or me all day. No problems. Not it feeling getting hot. Not it feeling starting like it's actually. With some caps, you do get over a certain amount of time, it feels like it's going to feel like really hot. But this feels really absolutely comfortable. Yes, I know I'm in my kitchen, but you can sort of tell when you're going to feel very comfortable in the cap. And I must be honest, it is really comfortable. Look, the build quality, the actual build quality of this cap is absolutely amazing. And what I love the most is this line. It's not just a line that is made to look like it's there. It's actually, you can feel it is actually there. It's a proper line that goes round all the way around the cap. And it's not many caps I can with this in. It's properly stitched in as well. Or the 92 Automotive. Very nice. It's very nice. I do really very much like that, and definitely I'm going to have to one day consider getting caps for my channel with the name. But for now, as I'm an ambassador for the 92 Automotive, that I do like, because now I will get some more clothing from Mel at some point to also walk around at car shows. But for now, I really do like this. So comfortable, and yet you've over a couple of seconds. And the only reason why I know I got this on, because I'm actually looking at it in the camera, and it just feels so comfortable you can forget about it. Yeah, and that's the whole point of a cap. You're meant to forget about it being on. You shouldn't be feeling like it's on, and then over every so often just scratch. No, it's really comfortable. It's plenty of air to your scalp through these little holes that's meant to be there. So yeah, if I had to mark this cap out of 10, I would say 10, because the fact is I do enjoy wearing a cap, and as you're probably all aware from watching, if you're new to the channel, I do like wearing my caps, whereas people from when I've started, you will always notice I'm always wearing a cap of some sort. Actually, I don't know why it is. I feel really comfortable with a baseball cap on. I don't like beanies because it affects my skin. So baseball caps, lovely. I can wear them all day, and it no problem at all. From now on, you'll probably, if you ever see me at a car meet or car show, you'll always probably be seeing me wearing this. And don't be afraid to come up and say hi, as I always like to speak to all of you. So don't forget, everyone, the discount code below, Lone Ranger 10 at the 92 Automotive. If you love photos of your cars like I do, and photo shoots and stuff like that, or really nice merch such as this cap, lanyards, stickers, you name it, she's probably got it. And keep your mind clean now, everyone. And this is above and beyond, and I really do appreciate that very, very much. So also, not forgetting, the channel has its own Facebook page. A link to that will also be in the description below. But Thank you, Mel. I do really very much appreciate this. Yes, I paid for this cap as well. I'm not. Mel hasn't given me this cap. I bought it. As I always like to do an honest and personal thoughts to my honest, pretty much an honest opinion to what I wear and whatnot. So I've not been given it. I've bought it, and fair play. I speak as I find, and I absolutely adore it. So I've got a feeling I'm going to be wearing this a lot more than my other cap. So thank you very much for watching, my fellow Rangers. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, please consider giving me a like and a subscribe if this is your very first video. It is very much appreciated for you to join me once again. So till next time, my fellow Rangers, you take care, stay safe, and Lone Ranger, signing off.